Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your SmartThings automations to WebCoRE backup scripts. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the SmartThings app on your mobile device. Navigate to the Automations tab. Select the automation you wish to back up. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Choose Edit from the drop-down menu. Take note of the automation settings, including triggers and actions. Open a web browser and go to the WebCoRE dashboard. Log in to your WebCoRE account. Click on the Creator dashboard to access your pistons. Select the New Piston option to start a new script. In the Define section, create a descriptive name for your backup script. Recreate the triggers from your SmartThings automation within the WebCoRE interface. Next, define the actions that correlate to your original automation. Make sure to check the conditions if they apply to your automation. After completing the piston setup, use the Save option to preserve your work. Once saved, you can run a test to ensure the piston functions as intended. If everything works correctly, you now have a backup of your SmartThings automation in WebCoRE. Repeat these steps for any additional automations you want to back up. Review all backup scripts periodically to ensure they remain in sync with your SmartThings setups. That completes the process for backing up your SmartThings automations to WebCoRE. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.